This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file an injunction order from court. First, let's understand what an injunction is and why courts issue them. An injunction is a powerful court order that either compels someone to do something or stops them from doing something. These orders can be temporary, lasting a short period, or permanent, issued as part of a final judgment. Courts typically grant injunctions to prevent serious, irreversible harm or to preserve the current situation until a case is fully heard. Before filing, thorough preparation is key. You'll need to gather all evidence that clearly demonstrates why an injunction is necessary. This includes identifying the specific harm you are trying to prevent, such as property damage or personal safety threats. It's highly recommended to consult with a legal professional. They can help you understand the legal requirements and assess the likelihood of your case succeeding, ensuring you build the strongest possible argument. The next step is the actual filing process. You must draft a formal petition, which is your official request to the court. This document needs to clearly state the facts of your situation and the specific relief you are seeking. Once drafted, you'll file this petition along with any supporting documents at the clerk's office in the appropriate court. After filing, it's crucial to properly serve the opposing party with these documents, following all legal procedures to ensure they are officially notified. Finally, you will attend a court hearing where you'll present your evidence and arguments to the judge. This hearing is like a mini-trial, allowing both sides to be heard. The judge will carefully consider all the information before deciding whether to grant the injunction. If granted, the injunction will outline the specific actions required or prohibited. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. It's important to understand and comply with the court's order, as failure to do so can lead to serious penalties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.